Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it can be confusing as well if you do not know where to start. In this video, you will discover different ways to profit from the stock market. Number 1, the first way to profit from the stock market is through capital gains. This involves buying stock at a lower price and sell them at a higher price. The difference between your buying and selling price is the capital gain. For example, you buy a stock at $50 and you sell it later at $75. So the capital gain is $25. You made a profit. The second way to profit from the stock market is through dividends. Dividends are payment made by a company to its shareholders. They are typically paid out of the company's profit and can provide a regular stream of income for investors. For example, if a company pays a dividend of $1 per share and you own 100 shares, you receive $100 in a total dividend. Next will be growth investing. Growth investing involves investing in companies that are expected to grow significantly in the future. These are companies often reinvest their profits in their business rather than paying out dividends. So if the company performs well, the value of the stock may increase and provide a profit. Next is value investing. Value investing involves identifying undervalued stocks and buying them at a huge discount. When the market recognizes the true value of the stock price will increase and provide a profit for investors. This strategy requires a thorough analysis of a company, financials, and industry trends. By the way, this strategy is also the method that the legendary investor Warren Buffett himself is using. Next is stock trading. Trading involves buying and selling of stocks frequently and often in a daily or even weekly basis. This strategy usually requires a lot of time and effort with active monitoring of the stock prices. And people that are trading usually set their stop loss and take profit price even before they enter the market in order to capture the short-term price movement. In summary, these are several ways to profit from the stock market, including capital gains, dividend, growth investing, value investing, and stock trading. Each strategy has its own objective and require a different approach. It is important for yourself to get educated before investing in the stock market, because in my opinion, if you did not educate yourself beforehand and you put money in the stock market, it is no different from gambling in a casino. Only with the right education and strategy, the stock market can be a powerful tool for you to start building wealth over the long term. I hope you benefit from this video. Do like and share this video with your loved ones so that all of them can benefit from this as well. I will see you in the next video.